I think that people are easily able to conceptualize the two different types. The first is quid pro quo, Latin for this, for that. And it's when someone with authority over someone else dangles a positive workplace environment or threatens an adverse employment decision based upon someone's acceptance of a sexual advance. You know, and defining some of those subparts, coming with examples, some of those subparts is really where the rubber meets the road. It may not just be that it's have sex with me or you are fired. It may be that the advance is just kind of repeated requests to go on a date, or even in a group setting or something that may be kind of a small group setting, and that it's not a threat, but it does appear that the people who socialize with this boss after work get favorable work assignments, get to work on the big clients and the big projects. And so when you've got a team of people underneath you, in terms of preventing quid pro quo sexual harassment, it's really important to analyze and be cautious of social invitations. And I hate to say that people can't socialize outside of work and whatnot, but it's people in HR need to be cautious of and say, hey, are people who supervise others inviting people to outside social events? Is there pressure? Does there appear to be some kind of coercion involved? And zoom out and look at the people who participate in the social activities. Do they have more favorable career trajectories? Do they have better paths? And if so, then there may be something afoot. There may be people who are quietly feeling like they're alienated because they don't want to, they don't want to accept someone's advance. And the other type of sexual harassment is the hostile workplace, which is something that people can obviously picture. You know, and we'll get into what can constitute a hostile work environment and the different ways that people can project that hostility. But it is when acts of a sexual nature substantially interfere with someone's ability to do their work. It's a hostile work environment.